How to fix Money Network app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if any updates are available for the app or not. For that, launch your app store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Money Network, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Now you will need to clear cache for the app. Scroll down, head over to the option of general. Now navigate to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, find the app Money Network. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your app store, search for the app Money Network. Once app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Money Network app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.